Okay, my fellow teacher Jupiter Ed users, I just discovered the coolest thing in Jupiter Ed. So I am using a wonderful website called Math Antics for our foundations. It works well with the Saxon problems and it follows kind of the same pathway. And they have great worksheets. So I'm using their worksheets as part of our homework. So I wanted the kids to do the worksheets, and I thought, well, if they can print them out, that would be great. And if they can't, they can just write it on notebook paper, right? They can actually do the worksheets that you upload in Jupiter. Oh my goodness! Let me show you how this works. So let me take this off just so you can see. All right. So what I did was I said attach files. And here's the worksheet that I found, right? So I'm going to click it. I'm going to attach that to so it's attached. There's our worksheets. Now I click this button that says turn in this worksheet, okay? And I put whatever my instructions are down here in the bottom so the kids can see it. I've got to redo this because I told them to print it out. So now I'm going to tell them to different set of directions. So I'm going to figure that out and put it on here so we know what to do. So I'm going to pull up one of my students. I'm going to log in as one of my students and look at it from the student's perspective so you can see what they can do. It is so awesome. All right, so I'm going to click done here and let me pull it up as the student. Okay, so I am logged in as one of my students and I'm going to go to her Foundations Math class. And this is the homework with the worksheets that I've done, right? So this is what they see. So they've got to click the worksheets and watch what happens. Oh my goodness. They can draw on the worksheet. Is that not the coolest thing you have ever seen? So what they do is they read the worksheet just like this. And this is just a regular PDF. I didn't do anything special. This is just a worksheet that was in a PDF format that I did. So let me go back to the original PDF. They can see it as the original PDF. That's fine. But in Jupiter, they can actually take their little pen and they can 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. Look at that. They can do their work on here without having to print out the worksheet. There's a T here. I'm assuming that means type. Let's try it out. Look at that. Oh my goodness, my mind is blown. They can type the answer. They can click over here. They can type the answer. Is that not the most fabulous thing you have ever seen? So they don't have to draw it. They can just click right on top of the blank with the T. So I'm going to do a little video and send it to, put it in front of these worksheets for my kids so they can see how to use it. This is fabulous. This is a game changer. I know a lot of you have worksheets that you've been trying to turn into modules. Now you can just upload the stinking worksheet and they can type right on the paper. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited and I'm a little bit geeking out over this. So now, once they're done with this, they can click turn it in, right? That's assuming they're done. It says done. So I'm going to go back to my view and see what it looks like, all right? So give me just a second. Okay, so I'm back in my view for this classroom and I have an asterisk telling me that somebody's turned something in, and it was this student right here. So I'm going to click it and it brings up the worksheet. And look, down here, everything that she typed in, I can grade it. I can look at it and I can give her a grade. So all I have to do in order to do this is I need to count out the total number of points. So on this worksheet, it's 36. So I just have to count out the total number of points and set that as my score in my assignment. So let me get this real quick. So isn't that the most fabulous thing you've seen? So we can use worksheets now that we already have in PDF format without having to type a bunch of stuff into a module. That is fabulous. And my mind is blown. It is absolutely blown. So I hope that this makes you about as excited as I am, because I think I just won the lottery. It's going to make my life a lot easier. I hope it makes yours easier. And I will see you guys soon. I can't wait to see you guys. I've missed you all. And that's all I have for now. I just had to share. Bye.